In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account directly from the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account, and then choose Deactivate or Delete Account. Give it a moment to load, and then select Delete Account permanently. TikTok may ask you for a reason for deleting your account, but this step is optional. You can simply tap Skip in the top right corner. After that, you'll see an option to download your TikTok data. You can do that if you want, or tap on the check mark, and then Continue. Next, you'll see a message explaining that your deletion request will be processed. Basically, once you confirm this, your account will be scheduled for deletion. For the first 30 days, you can still recover your account by logging back in. After those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Go ahead and tap Continue. TikTok will send a verification code to your email address. Enter the code, then tap Delete Account. And that's it. Your TikTok account will be permanently deleted.